Assalamu alaikum. I am Mokibul Hassan. On behalf of Professional Excel Trainer, I welcome you all. This channel intends to train you to be proficient in Microsoft Excel in less time and work like a pro user of it. Today we will learn how to paste Microsoft Excel data into Microsoft Outlook with proper formatting. To accomplish this task, first, we have to copy the data. To copy it, select the data with the mouse, then copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on the keyboard. Upon going on to Microsoft Outlook, we will create a new email and paste the data by pressing Ctrl+V on the keyboard. Now, pay closer attention, the data in the Ship FOB column is not correctly aligned. We have to adjust the column width to correct this issue. We can drag the table border like this with the help of mouse. This action will restore the alignment. As we want to correct the whole table's formatting, we must select it first. We can click on this little handle just like this. This action is essential, otherwise, this trick will not work. After all these steps, we have to go to the Layout tab, and from the Alignment command group, we have to click on the Align Center command. As soon as we click on it, the formatting of the whole table will become good. If you want to know any specific topic of Microsoft Excel and Outlook, you can tell us by comment section. Make sure to like and share this video, if it is helpful. In this highly competitive world, you must stay ahead of your competitors. Always try to learn something new, and you can make us partner on your journey by liking and subscribing to this YouTube channel. To get notified about new content, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon. Thanks for being with us, see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.